Honestly, there are so many different good tools out there on the market, and it's so hard to decide which one might be the right for you. And I think this could be the one you're looking for a really long time. Let me introduce you to Cortex, one of the softwares which I think is probably the most interesting software and tool right now on the market, because it is, first of all, a second brain, and second of all, great for writing, and third of all, great for creators either starting a business or want to develop a business. And the software is actually created by a quite famous YouTuber called Dan Ko, and is probably one of the earlier stars of the term personal branding. Like, he is one of the top people when it's about personal branding. And in my opinion, Cortex is probably the thing that probably most entrepreneurs, creators, or anyone who's trying to become more productive and also think better and starting a business, whatever you are looking for, you can be finding in Cortex. So why is that? First of all, let's see. So this is, for example, a mastery note, which I'm currently writing. So you can't measure intelligence. And then, for example, this is the newsletter, which is coming up this week. And newsletter, like, don't become an entrepreneur, become a creator. So, and this is mainly the structure of Cortex. So you have a capture feature. And this capture feature, for example, here is pretty simple. You write something down here, and then you can also organize it based on connections. So for example, emotions are the best productivity advice from Mark Manson, which kind of like connects to specific documents like emotional intelligence or productivity mastery. So the capture features, actually, they're kind of like an inbox. So if you know the para method, if you know Ali Abdal, and even everyone is talking about how to capture ideas as fast as possible. And the capture feature exactly is there for doing this thing as quickly as possible and aligning it to different documents. You can include hashtags from different books. And what also Cortex does in the capture features, you can transcribe your audios. So for example, if you're lazy in writing, or you're like on a walk and you have a great idea, you can transcribe it and just talk it into the capture feature, and then you just have it as a text. So another extremely interesting tool is actually here the chat function, which is kind of like an integrated AI, which is quite interesting because you have a GPT-4, Gemini 2.5, Claude, Sonnet 4, and all other AI tools. Like, that's actually pretty insane because you have everything in just one place in one software, and it's actually free. So like, everyone like thinking like, oh my God, like you have Notion and all of the stuff with AI, it's kind of like quite annoying. I mean, I use Notion, don't get me wrong, but it kind of pisses me off that you need to pay everything, and everything is kind of like in Notion paywalled, or there's so much stuff on this tool which kind of like makes you less productive because you just need to understand it first. And most people are not really programmers or like good in coding. So yeah, so I mean, Notion is good in building everything in some way, but also it's maybe too complex for a lot of people. So, and another good thing is, like, if you are a creator and you're into AI, and which you should, because that's part of the future, is you have, or Dan, as a creator and personal brand guy, he created, I think it's 25 different prompts pre-built. So for example, you have these 5, then you have create, market, learn, and plan. So for example, if you're into writing, like threads and Twitter, or whatever, writing in general, like you can create viral social posts, which are insane. Like, these AI tools actually help me to gain 1.3 million views on threads. Sure, I optimized them and everything. Like, if you want to get these prompts, or like if you want to find out how to grow on threads and make 1.3 million views as well in 1 month, or like gain 4,000 followers in just 2 months, you can click the link below. I have a 7-day challenge to guide you to more clarity, less chaos, higher productivity, fewer work hours, and the foundation of your second brain business. Honestly, there's no bullshit, just pure value inside of the challenge. So if you're interested, just click the link below, and everything I talk about, everything I write, everything I think about is actually inside of my newsletter and content in general. Getting back to the chat, like, it's insane. Like, you also can have YouTube newsletter or article drafts, and honestly, I think these two are probably one of the most important or interesting prompts you can have. And yeah, you can optimize them and everything. Then you also can, for example, have personal brand and content strategy. Whatever you're actually thinking about in terms of creating, in terms of being a creator, a content creator, being an entrepreneur, or being creator entrepreneur, is inside of the chat function, which is insane. And you can connect them with all of the different documents. Coming to one of the most interesting parts is actually the library. So the library is, if you are familiar with Readwise Reader, so Readwise Reader is an app from Readwise, and Readwise is the app that connects different book apps. So all your highlights you're marking in a book are stored inside of there. And Cortex actually simplifies this into one coherent library. Notion doesn't really do it good, but Cortex does. So you can, for example, open up the book like Cybernetics, and then you can see all your highlights with all the hashtags which you create in Readwise Reader, and you can access them over Cortex. So for example, you could also search it based on the book. You can search inside of everything in Cortex or your second brain. Like, trust me, like if you're into this scene, I think your entire way of thinking changes completely. Honestly, like I'm already inside of this for like 10, 11 months, and I kind of like rewired my entire brain. Something also pretty interesting is core notes, which then created, which I transformed to mastery notes. Like core notes is a specific technique based on the Zettelkasten method. So this is not really only based on Cortex, but can be greatly implemented into it. So for example, here, mastery notes is, for example, my creation of it. So metadata and connections are my own system I've created to just organize and structure things better and find it more easily. I think a lot of people have the problem with structuring, especially digital structuring or digital organization. So this is why mastery notes are there, or also I call it the chaos to clarity method. And then the rest is actually there to make your notes or writing impactful, like big idea, like capture any idea, like it could be social media, from a YouTube video, whatever. Then research is mostly like ChatGPT stuff. Definition, like what is this mastery note about? Then we have a problem, a goal, example, benefit, a process, links, whatever. Everything is actually also inside of the challenge, so you get all of the stuff which I have here for building a second brain and or optimizing Cortex for yourself is linked. Everything is linked down below. If you want to know how this mastery notes look like filled out, I think let's take, so this is one which I just filled out in the morning, so you can see it like, this is like my active project, like this is the one which I use for this newsletter. So I'm currently writing this newsletter here. And then I connect these ones with different mastery notes. And these mastery notes I'm currently creating are currently on top of it. So I know, okay, I need to fill these stuff out until, let's say, end of the week. So it then be organized again. And for example, let's take this example. You're happier being a creator than an entrepreneur. So you, for example, fill out the metadata, our hashtags, so you find every single time in your second brain the stuff you need. Then we have connections. Connections are the connections to your documents. So the more connections you have, the easier it is to link in between nodes, making your way of thinking more beneficial, and you can create an interconnected web of knowledge. So one idea can spark another and you get into a loop of thinking and creating, which is actually quite powerful in terms of thinking, because in my opinion, most people nowadays are not good at connecting things, like how their health is impacting their productivity and business. Like most people just eat shit, think shit, and also execute shit. And most of the stuff happens because doesn't have a healthy body and a healthy mind. But to have a healthy mind, you need a healthy body and a healthy gut, because everything connects to mind, body, and soul. So it's important to coherently connect everything together to have a good life, a good business, a good productivity, and a good mind. For example, the idea would be many creators are entrepreneurs, but not many entrepreneurs are creators. Because the thing is about personal branding is when you are a creator and you have a million views on a million followers on YouTube, you could sell everything you want. You are going to make 10x, 100x more money as with being a creator and an entrepreneur. Many creators are entrepreneurs because when you want to make more money as a creator, you need to be an entrepreneur. Like look at Alex Hormozi. He makes a lot of money and he's quite effective because he just creates content which is extremely scalable, and then he makes money based on his stuff he's selling. Then we have a problem. A problem, for example, could be as an entrepreneur, I often didn't enjoy my work days, did things I hated and felt unfulfilled. Or, for example, this is a problem because most entrepreneurs are not happy. They have a lot of money, but they are not happy. Then the goal, for example, would be, as a creator, this is not the case. There was no single day where I did not enjoy my work. Just listen to this again. There was no single day I did not enjoy my work. Sure, some days less than other days, but every single day I just enjoy the work I do, which I can't say for other things in the past. And then, for example, you'd also take an example and a benefit, and then to execute this one here, you have created a process for your community, for your viewers, for the readers, for the watchers. With the idea, for example, unique mechanism concept, I create ideas, for example, inside of newsletters, which gets into a specific topic, and then I highlight them underneath a mastery node. And mostly there's an idea, for example, God's mind. And then this idea is connected here, down there. So to give you an example of an idea, so for example, an idea is this one here, the God's mind is a connection to a mastery node, and this would be the text. So I know when I'm creating something here, I know, okay, this comes from the source of the mastery node from God's mind, which is an idea. And this idea will be found here underneath the headline of how to think like a creator entrepreneur. So everything is organized and easy to search because this gives you a lot of clarity in your mind. And the more clarity you have, the faster you can execute something. Because the more clear your mind and your mental image inside of your head is, the faster you can execute it. Like if you don't know what you want, if you don't have a clear mental image, the execution takes probably 3 times longer, if not more. The key factor of having a second brain like Cortex, which can also be another tool if you want to, like Obsidian or something, or Notion, is it creates a lot of clarity based on writing. And I feel like Cortex might be probably one of the best tools you can have right now. Sure, this is only a personal use and preference, but yeah, hope you liked this video, hope it was helpful to you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.